UNICEF and the EU have spent over 2 million euros building water pipes all throughout Gaza. Hamas digs them up out of the ground and turns the material into rockets that they fire at Israel. Thousands of tons of construction materials meant for building homes went to Hamas's underground tunnel network that they have used to carry out terrorist attacks against Israel and now use to transport weapons around Gaza. And just this week, Hamas stole fuel and medical equipment from UNRWA that should have been distributed to Gazan civilians during the war. When will the world call out Hamas's crimes against humanity, against their own people?
Thank you so much. I'm your brother, Great. When will the world call up Hamas to explain for their atrocities against humanity, for their atrocities against the Palestinian people, for their atrocities against Israel? When will the world, the United Nations, call up Hamas and demand that they account for their activities?
Misinformation war. When a hospital in Gaza was hit last night, Hamas immediately declared that Israel was responsible, and their lies spread like wildfire. But a phone call between Hamas operatives reveals that they knew the truth.
أول مرة بنشوف الصاروخ زي هيك والشظايا هذه، فبقولوا لك تبع الجهاد الصواريخ الجهاد الإسلامي، بيحكوا إنه الشظايا تبعت الصاروخ إنه الشظايا محلية مش زي شظايا.
We all know fake news threatens the fabric of Western society, but this is how it benefits Hamas. International outrage at Israel emboldens Hamas to continue attacking Israelis. Gazan outrage at Israel protects Hamas from backlash from the people they are responsible for. Hamas is incentivized to lie to the world, but not to care who gets hurt, Israelis or Gazans. Hamas is intent on destroying Israel, and the media is one of their weapons. Don't fall for.
You see, Israel was at peace. Hamas attacked them. Close to 1,500 people perished in the process. Thousands of others are battling for their life. But people will only talk about what Israel is doing in Gaza, how the Palestinians are suffering. Some mischievous people will declare support for Palestinians, but they will never make mention of the activities of Hamas. It's so unfortunate. They will never condemn the activities of Hamas. They will not even identify with those who died in Israel, those who are grieving, suffering, passing through severe pain in the hospitals, battling for their life as a result of the wickedness of Hamas. This is so unfortunate. When will the world call up Hamas and demand that they account for their evil activities, for their crime against humanity? When will that be? That is the question. When will that be? Let us reflect on this. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you.
The mastermind of the Hamas attack. His name is Mohammed Diab Ibrahim al-Masri, but most people know him as Diab. He is the commander of the military wing of the Hamas and the mastermind of their latest terror attack. His presence looms large over Hamas in Gaza, even though he's rarely seen, rarely heard. But on Saturday morning, he made an exception. The silhouette of this mysterious man appeared on television. In a clear voice, he announced the beginning of Operation Al-Aqsa Flood, aka the terror attacks on Israel.